So after you get your firewood cut to the right size and you get it stacked properly, because that stacking is one of the major concerns. It needs to be stacked so that it's got airflow in and around it, and that it can get the maximum amount of sun and airflow. But then how do you know when it has finally finished curing and it's ready to use? Well, there are several ways to tell. The first thing is that dry wood is supposed to have radial cracks. If you can see these cracks going through here, that's what they're talking about. The dry wood is supposed to be a darker color than green wood, and it's supposed to be lighter in weight. And the last test is, if you bang two pieces of the cured wood together, it's supposed to sound hollow. Sounds pretty hollow to me. So if you found this video helpful, please like and share. And thanks for stopping by.